Hello everybody, my name is Norael aka Hike Master. Today is the day that I want to share you about this channel and what it's all about. Actually, I named this channel a Hike Master because I want to focus on one niche, which is hiking, adrenaline, beautiful landscape, beautiful waterfalls, beautiful green grasses and trees all over the mountains that I am climbing or going to climb. So this is all about, and the reason that I want to focus on this kind of outdoor activities is because it helped me feel relaxed and it helped me as well feel free. I feel the freedom from within through hiking, through finding out these beautiful wild waterfalls, these beautiful touches of the brushes in my skin when I walk in it. And the reason why I want to share, because what I feel, if it make me feel relaxed and I get the peace of mind through hiking, and how much more if I can share you this experience. I feel that I might help you think a little bit different from what's happening in our world today. There's a lot of conflict that happens in our world that make us really super distracted. It's super distracted us that sometimes we feel stress thinking only about it. So I was thinking that if I make something different and positive, it might maybe make a difference. So this is the reason that I make the Hike Master, not just for me but also for you. So please support my channel, and you guys have a blessed day and have fun. If you enjoyed this video, please share your thumbs up, comment below, at the same time subscribe to my channel for more videos to come that I can assure you of. So please stay tuned and have a good day to every one of you, and I see you again next time.